In this pencast, we're going to talk about the angle of depression. So the problem says, suppose you stand at the top of a ski slope and look down to the bottom. The angle of depression and the elevation or height of the slope is given. Find the distance, d, a person must travel to get to the bottom of the slope. So we have our diagram, so we see that our height of our slope is 482 feet, and we see our angle of depression is 22. Now, we can find out this angle in our triangle that we see, because we know that this should be a 90-degree angle, so we can take 90 degrees minus 22 degrees to get 68 degrees. So now if we draw our triangle, we'll have 68 degrees with our 90 here and our 482 feet here. And we know that if we're looking for the distance to travel to get to the bottom of the slope, we're looking for our slope distance, which is this right here, so that's d. So now we can set up a trig ratio to figure this out. We have the adjacent to our angle and our hypotenuse to our angle, so we can use cosine of an angle because that is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the cosine of 68 degrees will be our adjacent, which is 482 over d. Now if we can solve for d, we'll multiply each side by d to get d times cosine of 68 degrees equals 482. To get d by itself, we can divide each side by cosine of 68 degrees. To get d equals 482 divided by cosine of 68 degrees, which is also saying 482 divided by 0.375, because that's what you get when you plug in cosine of 68 degrees into your calculator. So d equals 1285.3 feet.